You're welcome to 𝐸𝐴𝐵𝐵𝐴, and this is G-Tech. Today we are unboxing and reviewing a wireless vacuum cleaner. So in the box you have the instruction manual, the USB charging cable, you have the suction nozzles to help in cleaning hard to reach areas, and then the instrument itself, which is the vacuum cleaner. So on top of the comfort handle, you have the switch button, and the switch button helps to switch on or to put off the device. Also, we have the push button that's used to separate the dust collector from the motor itself. And in the dust collector, there is a filter. So now what it does is that it prevents dust particles from settling into the motor. So as time goes on, you might realize that your device has broken down early, and that will be as a result of dust collection. So that is a brilliant idea of putting the filter there to prevent dust particles from settling in directly into the motor. So I tried to test out the effectiveness of the suction ability in my palm to see how feel or effective the pull might be. I tried with other dust particles, which was able to do the suction, but I feel if the suction ability is improved or the suction power is improved, that will help greatly in order to help in cleaning, especially in the car. You know, in hard to reach areas, you really need much suction power to suck out dust particles. But however, was he able to do the work? I will say yes, but not to my satisfaction. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if this is your first time watching my video for more exciting videos like this.